I also got these, but the texture is really different compared to the one that I have. So let me show you something really fast. These are the ones that I got. I don't even know where I got these, but the texture here, this is really hard. Yeah, like I don't know if they've been on the heat, but this is the reason why I bought this again. Like these earrings are one of my favorites. So I went to Shein, AliExpress, and Temu to find them again, and now this is what I got on the mail. Like these are very soft, like you cannot tell, but this does move a lot. So I don't know, you guys, but I am a jewelry addict. Again, I don't want to be a hoarder, but these earrings are the ones that I use a lot at the gym. So I decided to buy more because I'm using these a lot at the gym. But like I don't know, like this texture like is very soft. It's like you can look, like you can move it like that, and you cannot do that to the ones I have here. This is like very hard, like extremely hard, not the same. That's so weird. It's like maybe an imitation. I don't know what to say. I think they're definitely looks different. But yeah, this is what I got on AliExpress. So I got these cards to do with my clients, and I already had the bands, so I got this from Temu, and I really like it. I'm gonna use these a lot just to make the workout different and fun. I'm very happy. I do wish that they were thicker. They're extremely thin, and I don't like that, so I'm gonna have to do something to make them thicker so they can last longer. So I got a tongue scraper. I bought this one at the dollar store, stainless steel tongue scraper, and it's this one. And I also got this at Temu, but I feel like this is a little bit different. I don't know if you can see the difference, but supposedly they're both the same, and they are both stainless steel, but they look very similar, extremely similar. I already checked with the magnet, and they're both magnetic. So I'm trying to see if I find a big difference, but I don't. This one seems lighter. This one seems so much lighter than this one. This one's heavier. And as you can see, this one somehow is like, I think it's thicker. I don't know. I'm trying not to mix them. Yeah, there is a big difference between, like, if we put them side to side, the one from the dollar store is thicker than the one from Temu. But I'm gonna stay with this one, and I probably gotta give this to my mom or dad as a gift with something else because it's better than plastic. All right, I also got these. So this is supposed to be to prevent wrinkles, and you put them on your face. These are reusable. So this is for the forehead, and this one is for the wrinkle between the eyebrows. These are also for that. Now I've noticed that you can get these at Temu, but there are ones that are better than others. Like I got them, you know, different shapes, but they are from different places, even though they all come from Temu. So yeah, like I'm just gonna have to remember which are the good ones and which ones are the ones that are not that sticky. And then this I already opened, but I did use it. This is for the brushes. Like you just put the makeup brushes. Let me show you. This is where I keep my brushes. You would just get some brushes like this, and then you would put the soap, and you would like go around like that. I don't want to do it because it's already cleaned, but you would just like clean it with I usually clean it with a little bit of alcohol, and sometimes I even put like shampoo, but it's really good because I like that it has the texture, and that's what helps clean the brushes. Before I would clean them by hand, but now I started using this and I am loving this. Like, it's plastic, but it really takes out all the dirt and the makeup. I wear makeup almost every day, so I am in love with this cup to remove the dirt of your makeup brushes. And then something I've been getting a lot is because of my dogs, I get the gloves. These are the thin plastic gloves, and I get them because, you know, I have 2 dogs and I'm constantly cleaning stuff, you know, their paws. Sometimes I have to pick up their poop from the backyard, and I just wear this all the time, even when I'm cleaning the house. I also got this for my clients and also for my workouts. I do feel like they are very thin though, so I have to definitely make them stronger by putting tape. So this, I don't know how much it was, but I think it's about $5 for the whole deck of cards. I really like this because I can do this also at my house, not only with my clients but with my mom, because I will take it to the gym for my clients, but I can do it at the house. I don't know if I'm ever gonna do that, but definitely like these. I do this also on my Pilates class, like core stuff, like this. But yeah, I'm really happy with this. I also got this bed for my dog from Temu, and I built it myself. It's this is metal and this is plastic, so I really like it, lightweight. And then I already had this one for my big dog, my pit bull husky, and then this one is for my little dog. So I put them outside because this is where I leave them when they're outside. And I really like the bed. Like, it's not bad, it was affordable and it serves the purpose. All right, and I got this. This is for the bathroom, but I think people are using it for like other ways to clean. I don't know how, but this I got for the bathroom. So it's just like little sheets. I don't want to open it right now. I'm in my closet, and you just put 1 sheet on the toilet bowl and then wait for it to, you know, cause bubbles. It's like soap, and then you're gonna clean it with a brush. But I'm not gonna be doing only this. You still have to use, you know, your disinfecting for the toilet bowl. I do this maybe 3 times a week, and then I try to use my regular toilet bowl disinfectant to, you know, kill all the germs. I also got this. This is a dispenser for the dishes, and there's one that says hands. I don't know where it is right now, but I do like it because sometimes when people come to my house and in the kitchen I have soap for the dishes and hands, and sometimes they ask like which one is for the hands, which one's for the dishes. So right now it will be like right there, like you'll know that that will be for the dishes. All right, then I got this. This is so heavy for me to just grab with one hand, so you guys, my closet is crazy, so I'm just gonna put it here. I'm still in the process of like getting rid of stuff. I'm getting my closet remodeled, but this is what I got. This, and it has hooks. You know what it is, right? Like, just to, I don't even know how I can show you in a better way. It just grabs like all my fitness. I hold all my fitness shirts, but I cannot take it as far, and I love it. This is my running tops I put there, and then let me just put this here. Oh my god, it's so freaking heavy. Where is it? Over here. Then I got this, which is the same. I don't know if you can see it, and this just holds my regular tank tops, because before I had them in a hook that it was just terrible, like this one. It was just like a hook like this, and then just to grab one I will have to go through all of them, and it will take forever for me to grab my tank tops. I don't really wear tank tops, but when I go out for like a run, a jog, I do wear tank tops, but not that much, you know. I try to do cardio like that maybe once a week. I don't know, that's not that much. So instead of this hook, I felt like this was so much better because I can put only one on each hook, and that way let me see if I can show you there. Yeah, that's better. And that way I can just grab one and go. You know, the thing here is how to make your life easier. You know, don't be doing so much. You know, I feel like getting this organizing stuff, like all these tools that I'm using, it just makes life easier because you can just grab and go. You don't have to be like hours trying to get something. All right, I got this also. Now this ottoman is for my dogs. I have two huge dogs. Well, one is bigger than the other, but they like to be here because this is like their TV, right? All of my dogs that I've had, they like to be on the window. They're very curious. They like to see who's walking, any dog, any person. So I got this ottoman long time ago, and then the thing I don't like is that it's fabric. So I hate anything that's fabric, but I think it was probably cheaper. That's why I got it. And then here we had a weird like blanket, like I did not like. So I got this from Temu. My husband put it like that though. It's not really like that, it's just like a blanket, but I mean it's like a cover up. Yeah, it's a cover up for your ottoman, but I did not get the right size. I don't know what happened, and I was about to return it, but my husband said we can just put it like that. And I really like it. It matches with our decor because we have a lot of stuff that is gray and black. So I really do like it. Before it was like another blanket that it was with flowers, pink flowers, and I hate when things don't match. So this matches really nice. I'm very happy with this because it matches, and it does have like the rubbery thing in the back so it doesn't slip, because my dogs, they will be jumping on and off. And my husband did put it really nice though. It is very like tight. But yeah, that's the last thing I bought. I did get some other stuff. I don't know if I can show you from here. Yeah, I got that hook. I don't know if you can see it. There's a hook grabbing that plant. It's terrible because it doesn't work. My plant is really heavy, so it doesn't work. So I got that. And then if we walk to my laundry room, I did get a chair for outside. I'll put a picture, I think, if I have time, but it's a chair for outside. It is not a regular chair. So the chair, you sit and then it has the like foot support. And I tried it. It was okay. It's for the beach or maybe just for outside, anywhere, you know, outdoors. But it was missing like a nail. I kept it. I kept it because it was okay, and I'm just gonna put it back in, you know. And that's it for this video. Have a wonderful day.